Alright, so here I have the Dancing Devil from TNT Fireworks. It's another ground spinner. The same emits on ground, or spins on ground, emits flame and sparks. Okay, I got this for $3, and I want to say it was just buy one, get one free for just this, so I think I got two for $3. So I think in the catalog though it says like one pack is supposed to be 6 pieces or something. But anyway, yeah, so $3. And then if we take a look inside here, you kind of see where you light the fuse, or you got that one. And then on the other side here is another one. So I guess you'll have a two-part spinning and spark and stuff. So we'll go see how this ground spinner performs. Thanks for watching.